started practicing the previous year questions of the UPSC Civil Service examination for my 2027 attempt. Now, this is a book by XYZ Publication, which I have ordered on Amazon and I have got it. This has the last 35 years of PYQs, but I am thinking to practice the last 10 years for prelims based on my time that I have. Because I have classes and registered classes both for optional and GS as well, along with my classes, I have started checking the PYQs as well because I need to get an idea of it. If you have watched my previous vlogs, I have mentioned that I am getting extreme body pains when I sleep, especially in the night. So today I have decided that I want to sleep on the floor, and it worked. Look at the bright sunlight. This was the beauty of double ventilation that I was talking even in my previous videos. So yes, I woke up to such beautiful sunlight and immediately I freshed up and left to the terrace room which I have made for myself as a small study room. The room is pretty much messed up because it was not thoroughly cleaned, but it's okay. Lately I'll have also decided to shift the furniture that is required to this room. It was pretty sunny outside, but we in Vizag, we got the cyclone alert. We have to see how that's going to be. Yes. Today I have been really sick, so I have decided that I'll take the day a bit slow. So the entire morning I have decided to work on the optional alone instead of revising because revision of the economy classes takes a bit of active energy which I do not have right now. So I'm going through the archaeology and I'm revisiting certain things which I do have doubts about. For example, I'm not really thorough with the Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic, the differentiation, and it is getting a bit technical as well. Of course, I'm enjoying it, but the fact is, I have to be able to reproduce it in the examination, which is not really happening when I'm trying to attend the previous year questions. I'm also checking the previous year questions of the anthropology optional, but that looked doable. But when it comes to the 20 marker questions of the matter 50 markers, that's where I'm finding it a bit more problematic. 10 marks are pretty straight and I do not really know what to write there. So overall anthropology looks a bit more messed up portion for me because actively I'm taking the information but reproducing it is actually becoming a problem. But it's okay. At first I have to first finish the syllabus of it and then I'll see what to do about it. Also, I have kept my notes a bit of physical as well as digital. Now it is a mix of notes because wherever I'm supposed to write, I'm writing. Oh, this is another slot of studying on the terrace itself. I had my lunch and then I have made myself some buttermilk because I think I have taken the vitamin D tablet. Now, vitamin D is supposed to be taken with fats because it's water insoluble, right? So, here I'm having the buttermilk. And coming back to the point of notes which I was talking before, whatever he's dictating in the class, I'm writing on the pen and paper, on the paper with the pen, of course, and whatever I'm supposed to mark on the PDFs itself, I'm doing it in the iPad because right now I have to save my time and just cover the course, or else I'll be moving ahead of the deadline and that will be problematic for me. So yes, the study session was pretty good. It was focused and I did not go to the library because I do have certain things to catch up at home, and for more of that you'll get to see in the later parts of the vlog, so stay tuned for that. So now I have studied for a bit after this and I have decided that I'll make some chai. Right now I have finished my Mesolithic portion of India, and the plan is to finish the Neolithic period as well, world as well as India. It's 2 p.m. right now. I have class from 4:30 p.m. GS, so 4 o'clock onwards I want to revise GS. 4 to 7:30 it will basically go to general studies. So from 2 p.m. Till 4 p.m. I think I have to keep it to optional. Let's see how that goes, but for now let me just go get some chai. Bye bye. So I have made my chai using this Taj Mahal blue color powder. If I have till like whatever Taj Mahal tea leaves blue color, and I don't know, I'll be happy for no reason at all. Sometimes I'll be happy, I'll be sad. There is just no reason. I think that's just the mood swings part of it. So yes, after that chai session, the study slot was pretty focused, I would say, because Taka taka taka, I'm just attending the lecture, and taka taka taka, I'm just revising. I don't know, sometimes it just flows, which I'm absolutely in love with. And sometimes I just, no matter what, I can't move forward with whatever I study. But I think at the end of the day, it's also about how much portion we are covering, not just how intensely we are studying. Intensity is often given too much importance, but I think I'm just showing up, which I'm okay with. Again, I have slipped back into that study mode today. I don't know, today seems to work out for me, but as much as it worked today, tomorrow it did not work, which you'll also get to see in the same vlog. So yes, now I have to prepare for my 4:30 session, so I'm finishing and wrapping up my anthropology here. Just like that, my GS foundation course has started, like I told you, and now this is another class 3 of economy. Developmental economics is happening, and as soon as the class started, he directly jumped into the bit revision of poverty, and he also started the inequality chapters. Now that pace is pretty higher for me because all these concepts look messed up, like absolute poverty, relative poverty, what exactly is inequality, how do we measure the poverty, how not to measure the poverty, why to measure, why not to measure, all of that. It was a long class, okay? So from 4:30 p.m. till 5:30 p.m. it went on. 5:30 there was a technical glitch, so we all got logged out. 5:40 the class started, it seems, but I thought, oh, it's over for today, and I started just chilling with my life. But then again, I rejoined quickly because, my god, if it's gone today, tomorrow it will be 5 hours of class, 2 hours of backlog plus 3 hours of live class. That will be a messed up day. So yes, quickly I just came and I started attending the lecture, and I just ended it around 7:45 8. So today my mother did not cook anything, and we had to order the food from outside. This is idli with masala dosa. Most of the North Indians tend to pronounce it wrong. It's not dosa, it's dosa. So yes, we have ordered the idli with masala dosa. Wow. So we have ordered the idli with masala dosa and sambar and some chutney. This has a huge fan base in South India. Do try it. So yes, later I was actually feeling hungry because of whatever the reasons, and I was also editing the previous vlog which I have uploaded. I was feeling hungry, so I'm craving for something salty. I do not really like to eat a lot of sugar, so I had that popcorn. It's cheese, salty popcorn, whatever. Yes. So next day we got this cyclone alert in Vizag. Look at that! Oh my God! It was actually 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and it was too windy. It was too gloomy. It was one weird kind of a day. Actually, on days like this, nobody feels like studying. Days like this feel actually boring. So that day, I also decided that I'll get some electrician work done, and they have come to fix the lower lights that have been not working in my room. I also need some warm lights because I don't want to sit under the direct sunlight or direct white color light, which is too bright and which I am not okay with. So, yes, that was the day. Today I'm a bit jobless because yesterday I did not attend my live lecture due to some emergency work at home, and I have skipped it. Yesterday he was teaching the market exchange rate, purchasing power parity, all of that, which I'm not really thorough with. So I thought I'll catch up with the recorded lecture and also catch up with the live lecture by 4:30 p.m. But unfortunately, we do have a power cut here as there is some electrician work going on. If you have seen my previous vlogs, I have mentioned this headache, migraine issues of as a student that I'm going through, for which I was told to avoid very bright lights. But unfortunately, in India, we do have the system of using extremely bright lights, which do harm our sight and eyes and all of that. So I have decided that I'll switch to warm lights, and most of the times I'll try to avoid the screens. But you know, if you're preparing for something that is too dynamic, you must be very close to the technology and all the current happenings, which only we'll get through in the PDFs, and we can't keep taking print out of everything because that goes as a bulk again. So yes, the plan is to attend the anthropology lectures and catch up with the backlog because I do have a deadline for that. But unfortunately, looks like I'm not going to make it through anthropology today. Anyways, let's see how that goes. It's 26th February 2026. Time's moving pretty fast, right? I do have only 14 more months left for the upcoming civil service prelims exam. Let's see how that goes. For now, I'll go through the PDFs that have been provided by my coaching institute for economy, and let's see if I can understand things on my own by actively using ChatGPT and Notebook LM. And yes, I do actively use all the technology that is available, which is student friendly. I think it's very important for me to stay updated, right? I can't keep depending on the books, which are pretty much static. So I'll use that, and if I can understand what's happening, then I'll attend my live lecture today. I must, because one backlog, tomorrow it will be 2 lectures, day after tomorrow 3, and boom, I'll be attending only recorded and not live anymore, which I cannot afford to do that. Stay tuned, we'll update you. The electrician work is done, and Billy and I were so happy because these people left, and finally, both of us got the entire home for ourselves. So, Billy had milk, and I am making myself some chai. I think I'm making some chai or something else, probably. I forgot because this is pretty much a voiceover and actually forgot what I was doing. If that's a milk packet, yes, that's what I'm gonna do, some chai. The study sessions after the electricians have left was much better because the constant drilling sound, constant calling, and they are asking like, what is it, where is it, what to do, all of that. My mother is busy. My father is also busy, so I have to be there, and my brother is in the university. He's not at home, so I have to be there, and I have to direct them, and I have to tell them that do this, do that, which is a huge waste of time. If you have been a student who is in Delhi or someone in the Hyderabad, you'll understand what it means to be in a house with bad landlords. I actually went to Delhi for 3 months to check how the environment is going to be. I absolutely hated it. There were no sanitation standards in that place. It's extremely crowded and overpriced. Every single rupee is too expensive. For the 3 months, it felt like I'm literally opening a tap and letting the water. That's how me spending the money felt like. Anyways, coming back to the point, this is the wise decision that I have made in this year, that I want to stay at home and I want to study at home. And I also got this dengue fever, which, my God, it was life threatening, and I was one step away from something tragic to happen. Thank God, touch wood, nothing had happened. So yes, I have decided that I'll not go to any places like that which is overcrowded beyond the below the standards and all of that. And after coming home, my health has drastically improved, and I do not want to take a chance. And yes, let me show you here what I do. This is a recipe my mother taught me. When you're hungry, instead of munching on something, okay, when I'm hungry, instead of eating something that's bad, I have decided I always come back to this basic recipe of making egg omelette. Now, if you don't eat eggs, I don't know, skip the part. But if you eat eggs, it's very good in protein. I think each egg will have around 5 grams of protein, and your basic protein intake for one slot of the day will be covered based on your weight. So yes, I took 2 eggs and have added a bit of milk. If I add a bit of milk, it gives the fluffy texture to the omelette, which I like. I don't know about you. So this is one experiment you can try. It tastes like French toast. Okay, then you have to add a bit of mirchi powder. This is a homemade mirchi powder. My father's mother, that is my grandmother, paternal side, my grandmother had send us this. She is the one who always sends us this. Then a bit of salt and ginger garlic. Now again, ginger garlic is also homemade. We most of the times do not really buy anything from outside. My mother is pretty health conscious about it. Lately she has been through surgery, so after that we have been even more health conscious. I don't want to give you the details because that's her personal stuff, which I cannot comment on. I cannot share about as well. So yes, and this is an iron kadai. If you take something like a pan kind of a thing, that will usually have microplastics. But if you invest in a proper kadai, which is around 1500 to 2000 rupees, I don't know, 1200 to 1800 also, there'll be range. It is very good for health, and it doesn't have any nonsensical microplastics, all of that. And here, if you have seen, I did not use too much of oil. I have just used a spray, and I have just pumped it like 3 to 4 to 5 times, which is decent enough. And if you cut the omelette like this, it tends to cook quicker because who will stand there, because I got a class to catch up, right? So yes, that's what I did. I nicely enjoyed it, finished my online class. Today I have skipped shooting it, and around 7:30, 7:35, 7:45 the class has ended. It was a pretty rough class. Look at the rough work that I have done on the white paper. Oh, by the way, this is the phone that I'm lately switching to because I don't want to be on constant smart screen all the time. That is only for Wi-Fi. This is only for SIM. And after that, I have done a basic reading of the PDFs that have been uploaded. And from here on, the continuity of this vlog and other days of my life will be uploaded in the next video. Lately, I'm not getting time at all. I'm also juggling between optional GS, YouTube, exercise, meditation, driving, whatnot. Looks like a wonderful year, isn't it? Stay tuned for more. I'll keep you updated. If you resonate with me, do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Do write to me. I read every mail. Bye bye.